Welcome to affordable tooling.
Today we will be looking at the Vulcan Omnipro 220 from Harbor Freight. The Omnipro is a dual-voltage single-phase multi-process welding machine, capable of MIG, TIG, flux core, and electrode welding. The Omnipro 220 is a perfect machine for those who may need multiple welding processes without buying multiple single-process machines. Let's take a look at some welding done with the Omnipro.